This video shows a commercial garage door service completed by Anytime Garage Door in Nampa, Idaho. The customer requested a roller replacement on a commercial garage door. All rollers were purchased and provided by the customer, and our job was to professionally install them. We removed the old rollers, installed the new customer-supplied rollers, and checked the door for smooth, safe, and reliable operation. Commercial garage doors require precision and experience. And even components like rollers play a critical role in performance and safety. Anytime Garage Door provides professional residential and commercial garage door services.